What's up, my friend? It's Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to do a quick review video for Cash Now Funnel. This is a brand new funnel system that I designed and gave away to the affiliate marketing space, network marketing space, internet marketers or referral marketers. And actually, I retired January 1st, 2022, or you could say New Year's Eve, I retired. And a bunch of people have been bothering me and asking me about, Frankie, teach me how to make money online, et cetera, et cetera. So I caved in, and I was actually teaching this stuff for over a decade, but I caved in. I came up with this funnel, and this is to teach brand new people or even experienced people that are struggling online, don't know how to make money online. Well, here you go. This is a $100,000 per year strategy that you can start for only $1. For real, you can literally start for $1, and I made nearly $1 million with this strategy that I teach inside of this funnel. Let me show you the date real quick, the time this video is being made, because this funnel's only been out about 48 hours. Released it on the 7th around midnight. So it's actually been less than 48 hours, about 3 hours, maybe less than 48 hours. But we'll just call it 48 hours. Been out for 48 hours, and people are going crazy with this thing already because it is so powerful. It is so effective, and it is so very much needed in today's times. Everybody wants a cash multiplier, a way to make money on the internet. And once you go through this funnel, you're going to get excited. The light bulb's going to go off. You're going to thoroughly understand. It's 4 videos total inside of the funnel. And let me show you the funnel real quick. This is one of the landing pages, and I'm going to give you a clone of this funnel. You're going to get exact copy of what I'm showing you. I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's copy and paste simple. Even if you're brand new, you will have 0 problems setting this up. If you have problems setting this up, then you reach out to me and you'll be the first in the world. But I promise you, you will not have any struggles setting this up. As long as you can copy and paste, you're going to have no issues. But this is one of the landing pages. Cash Now Funnel, make $100,000 per year online and start today for only $1. Okay. That's one of the landing pages. Here's another, start collecting. Okay, this is another page. And I'm going to have several other pages that you can pick. And you can actually set this up and advertise this page. Or you can pick this page and advertise this page. And I'll show you where to advertise. I'll show you how to get endless, and I do mean endless, leads, prospects, which turn into sales. Literally endless. It is impossible to run out of traffic. It is impossible to run out of leads. Impossible, guys. It's impossible. You'll learn that in step 3 inside my system. All right, let's go ahead and skip on. Let's go ahead and press the button here and go in. Once somebody puts their email in, they're going to go into a presentation. I'm going to present the strategy. Okay, $1 today turns into 6-figure business. This is the strategy video. I'm getting rave reviews over this video. People are loving this video. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback on this video, okay? So just watch this video. It's going to be highly educational, okay? I'm going to take you on a journey, guys, and I do mean a journey, okay? I'm one of those rags to riches internet success stories, and you're going to learn all about how I did it, and it's easier than you think if you follow a system, and that's what this is all about. This is a system. Okay, once you watch this video, let me in. Here's the system itself. Okay, now you're inside of the system. There's the enroll now button for $1. Okay, there's another option up here on the menu bar on the top of the screen, enroll for $1. And it's real simple. Step 1 is going to be fast start training. Watch this video. I'm going to get you set up quickly so you can start making money. 30-minute video. Watch the video. My videos are 100% original content. I created all this. It took me about 3.5 weeks to put this system together. I spent about $7,500 putting this system together for you, and I gave it away for free, okay? I'm an internet millionaire. This is for you. This is not to make me money. This is to make you money, okay? This is my gift to everybody in the space. People that are out there struggling still for some reason. I don't understand why you're not rich yet, but perhaps you should be. And if you watch this training and you apply what you learn, some amazing things can happen. Okay, step 2. This is going to be the system setup, okay? This is, once again, a 30-minute video. You will learn in 30 minutes what took me 10,000 hours, what took me 4 years, what took me $60,000 to figure out how to do. This is copy and paste simple. Literally copy and paste simple. You will learn in 30 minutes what took me 10,000 hours. I'm going to save you a lot of time. I'm going to save you a lot of money. I'm going to save you a lot of frustration. And there's a lot of education in every single minute, every single second of this video. Do not skip a minute of my videos. Number 3, this is probably one of the best classes I've ever taught, okay, on traffic, okay? I have taught hundreds of classes on traffic, okay? Watch this video. Watch every minute of this video. I would suggest watching this video multiple times. You can come back in here anytime you want and watch this video, and I suggest you do so. I suggest you have your notebook, okay? This is going to show you how to get endless traffic, literally endless traffic, instant traffic and endless traffic. Like, it is impossible to run out of leads to get to your landing page here. I show you where all the traffic is. There's no reason why you shouldn't make $100,000 a year online if you follow the system. If you practice a little bit of self-discipline and come up with a routine, and I show all of this step by step, what to do, and then when we get to the training, I show you what to do. Once you finish the training, you're going to know what to do because I show you what to do. Okay? You guys are going to love this thing, I'm telling you. All right. Then we got a Facebook group. You join us on Facebook, and then like I already pointed this out, enroll now button, okay? So real simple, 3 steps. How to make money online. Step 1, step 2, step 3. There's the landing page. So what I'll do is I'll put a link below this video, okay? Below the video, you go through the training. You go through the system. Go through it. You're going to love it, guys. I know you're going to get involved. I know you're going to get involved because it's only going to cost you $1 to start. It's going to cost you $1 to get started. I know you're going to do this. Everybody's going to do this. This thing's probably going to go viral. I think there are going to be like 100,000 people. 100,000 people are going to come into this program, possibly more. That's what I think is going to happen, guys. I'm not even kidding, okay? And I'm not even kidding. We've done this before. We've built teams of 130,000 people and did it in like 7 months. I got a feeling this could happen with this. This is very much needed. People are looking for a solution to make more money, okay? People are looking for a solution to combat the high energy prices, the high food prices, okay? The high utility bills at the house and everything else is going up and up and up, and people are just sick of it. Well, this could be a possible solution, okay? It could be a possible solution. So I'll put a link below the description, in the description. Take a look at this funnel, Cash Now funnel. I think you guys are going to love this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you're going to enjoy this funnel, but go through it and then give me some feedback. I want to hear about it, okay? All right, you guys take care. Go through the funnel. We'll talk again real soon. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off. Thank you.